In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ChatGPT account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. So, maybe you've decided that you no longer want to use your ChatGPT account, or perhaps you're looking to take a break from the service. Whatever your reason may be, deleting your account is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First, start by ensuring you have the ChatGPT app installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store suitable for your device, whether it's on iOS or Android. Go ahead and launch the app when you're ready. Once you're in the app, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You should see a menu icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on that menu icon. This will open up a variety of options related to your account. The next step is to locate and select your account name. Tapping on your account name will take you to the Settings menu. Here, you will find various options that pertain to your profile and personal preferences. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, but for now, we're focusing on deleting your account. Now, within the Settings menu, search for something called Data Controls. This is where you'll find important information and options related to your data and privacy. Go ahead and tap on Data Controls. Once you're in that section, keep an eye out for a specific option that says Delete Account. This is a crucial step because it signifies that you're on the road to permanently removing your account from the ChatGPT platform. Tap on Delete Account, and at this stage, the app will present you with a warning message. Take a moment to read this warning carefully. It's important to understand that deleting your account is a permanent action. This means that once you do this, you won't be able to reverse your decision. All of your data, including your conversations, your profile information, and any API usage, will be completely erased from the system. Furthermore, be aware that you won't be able to reuse the same email address or phone number to create a new account in the future. If after considering those points you still feel confident about your decision to go ahead and delete your account, simply tap on the Delete button. The app will then initiate the process of removing your account. This process typically doesn't take too long. You can expect it to complete within a few minutes. Once it's done, your account will be completely deleted. And that's it. You've successfully removed your ChatGPT account. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're interested in learning more about tech tips and tricks, make sure to follow along for more guides just like this one. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide